We asked Mr. Shields today if it would be possible to give us a demonstration of the capabilities of the bell tower, the Carillon. And he said, how many of the 2,000 tunes would you like to hear? And we said, hey, a sample, but it's truly beautiful. And this time I'd like to ask him to provide us with an orientation on its capability.
No, he's right. I was going to ask for people to tell me what would they like to hear, but I thought that would take way too long to go through 2,000 tunes. So I've got quite a nice little selection of songs here for you.